The king of reach in the energy storage industry independent analysis on the REPT 345 mAh lithium iron phosphate battery. Look here is the REPT 340 mAh, and let me show the details for you. You can see the QR code and the active and the positive point. Hello everyone, energy storage professionals, RE enthusiasts, and the new energy lovers watching. I'm Esther. Today I will introduce a heavyweight contender in the energy storage world. The REPT CB84 345 mAh lithium iron phosphate battery. Many people only look at the capacity when choosing the battery, neglect the corrosion indicates like the voltage and the circle life and the safety performance, leading to frequent problems later on. Today, I'll be using the official product specifications to provide a comprehensive analysis of this battery and covering core parameters, performance advantage, safety testing, and transportation and storage, and the proper usage. Whether you are using it for a large-scale energy storage power stations or RV conversion or commercial vertical power supplier, this video will give you a complete understanding of what makes a good battery, helping you avoid pitfalls when choosing one. Let's go. Let's look at this battery identity cards. Its core parameters. Each number reveals its capabilities. This battery model is the CB84. Can you see that? Yes, clearly. And belonging to the lithium iron phosphate systems, and with a normal capacity of 345 mAh and a normal voltage of the 3.2 voltage. This translates to a normal energy of the 1104 watt-hours. What does mean that? It's equivalent to powering a 1000 watts device continuously for over an hour. For RV powers, supplier and home energy storage is reached to maximize. And next, let's look at the crucial operating and the storage temperatures. Look here, charge temperatures is from the 0°C to the 60°C, and the discharge temperatures is from the 20 degrees below zero to the 60°C, and the storage temperatures is from the 30 degrees below zero to the 60°C. Even in northern winter of the 20 degrees below zero, or southern summers or 36, it can operate the stability and demonstrating far greater adaptability other lithium batteries. In terms of the dimensions, it measures 71.75 millimeters. In thickness is 174 millimeters, and in the shoulder height is 204 millimeters. And the total height is 206.8 millimeters. And the set weight is 5.8 kilograms. It's used a standard square cells, ensuring excellent compatibility when assembled into battery pack. It is also both two hiders advantage. Look here. Here is the energy efficiency. An energy efficiency of greater than and equal to 96%, and at the 25 degrees. Minimize energy loss during the charge and the discharge. Maximize the utilization of the every kilowatts and energy densities of the 188 watt-hours per kilogram, and the 427 watt-hours length, placing it among the top performers in its capacity lithium iron phosphate batteries categories. Its lightweight design also saves in space. Most importantly, it has an internal resistance of the 0.3. Lower internal resistance results in less heat generation during charge and discharge, leading to greater stability and contributing significantly to its long lifespan. Next, let's discuss the performance advantage that everyone is the most concerned about, which are also the core competitiveness of this battery. The first advantage, extremely durable cycle life. The specifications clearly state that a 25C with a charge-discharge power of the 0.25p, the cycle life is 80,000, and to the capacity decays to 70%. The second advantage, solid as a rock, charge and discharge performance. Before standard charge and the discharge power are 276 watts, using a 0.25 powers constant power charge models, charging to 3.65 voltage and cutting off. During discharge, the voltage range is 2.5 voltage to 3.65 voltage. Even it's in low temperatures in mountains, the operating voltage range remains between the 2 point voltage. It's important to highlight the high and low temperatures performance. At the 45C, the charge and the discharge energies remains greater and equal to 1,104 watt-hours, almost identical to room temperature conditions. At 5C, the charge and the discharge energies is greater and equal to 7. The third advantage, ultra-low self-discharge rate. The specifications show that within 3 months of shipment, the battery monthly self-discharge rate is 3% when stored at 25C and the 40% SOC. This means that even if the battery is left idle for 3 months, it will not be discharged and the scrapped. Its performance is crucial for backup power supplies and the seasonal energy storage device. For a good battery, safety is always the bottleneck. The safety performance of the REPT 345 mAh is supported by detailed test data in its specifications. Let's look at this hardcore test. First, the drop test. The second is the overcharge test, and the third is the over-discharge test, and the fourth is the short circuit test. Fifth, the compression test, and the sixth, Maruna waste test. These tests cover extreme situations that may be encountered in daily use. The fact that this battery can be passed such rigorous safety tests in enough to show that it has a very sufficient safety reassurances. It can be used with the confidence in both home and industry settings. Finally, here are some key selection recommendations. You need a long life and higher safety, each as of energy storage power stations or commercial vertical. This is a right choice. The 8,000 cycle lifespan significantly reduce the replacement cost. For RV or outdoor energy storage, its wide temperatures range and the higher energy densities ensure stable power supplies in extreme environments, in limiting the needs for frequent charging. This REPT CB84 345 mAh battery showcase the core strengths of a major manufacturers in terms of specifications, performance, and the safeties. If you'd like to learn more about battery selection tips or how to match battery packs in different scenarios, please like and follow and save this post. Leave your usage scenarios in the comments section, and we will answer your question in details in next video.